If you want to remove reposts on Instagram, I'll show you 2 easy ways to delete them either one by one or in bulk. First of all, make sure your Instagram app is up to date. Go to the App Store or Google Play Store, search for Instagram and tap on update if it's available. After that, open your Instagram and to remove your reposts one by one, go to your profile and then tap on the repost icon. Here, find the post you want to remove and long press on it. Then select delete repost and that's all. The repost will be gone from your profile. Now, to remove the repost in bulk, tap on the 3 horizontal lines at the top right corner. Then go to your activity. From here, tap on repost and then tap on select at the top right corner. Now, choose all the reposts you want to delete and then tap on delete at the bottom. And that's all. All your selected reposts are removed at once. Follow these steps and you will have full control over your reposts on Instagram, whether you want to remove them one by one or in bulk. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more of these videos, and thank you for watching.